Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create your Spotify Receiptify. So in here, if you want to know what your most played tracks on your Spotify, here you can easily generate a stylish receipt, show your favorite tracks, artists, or even genres. So here, what you need to do is open your browser and then just find Receiptify as the keyword, this one, and you'll see at the very top there will be this page receiptify.herokuapp.com. So just click on that page. Now you just need to click on this login with Spotify. Tap on that, and then you need to log in with your Spotify in here. Just tap on agree. So in here, this is my Receiptify last year, so you can just see what songs that you currently your most played tracks on Spotify. You can see up to 10 songs, and if you want to change the range of time, you can just scroll down in here. You can choose between last year, month, or last 6 months, and you can also choose the metrics, whether it is top tracks, artists, genres, or others. You can also change the line. If you want to know your top 50, you can change it in here, and you can also choose the mode and also the phone. I'm going to change it into top artists, for example. Here you can see my list of top artists on Spotify, and if you want to share it into TikTok or Instagram, you can just tap on this download image, and your Receiptify will be saved, and you can just upload it on your favorite platform. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.